I guess you could call that proof that it was actually me that was here.
Love you. I'm so sorry.
I'll pay your bill.
So this one's now chocolate. No? Thank you. A friend of mine who retired from Canada.
I've got a YouTube channel called Country Conversations with Cactus Jack, and I love mom and pop places, so Joelton, Tennessee pride on the wall. Short notice. I'm Cactus Jack, and you're on Country Conversations with Cactus Jack. They tell me you're the person that gets everything done around here. What's your name?
My name is Jessica.
Okay. How long you been here?
I've been here 13 years.
13 years. Tell me, I don't even know the name of the place. My wife and I were driving by yesterday, and we saw it, and you were closed. So today we had to come back, and we're here.
Yeah, we close at 2 on Saturday and Sunday, but Monday or Tuesday through Friday we're open 8 to 6.
And
my aunt, Christy Jones, she owns it.
And the name of the place is?
The Country Junction.
You're at Country Junction. You're off of 431 in Joelton, Tennessee, which is also exit 31 on I-20.
Yeah, it's 35.
Exit 35, yes. I-24.
Yes.
I'm tickled to death. The food was great. I had the catfish, the cabbage, the greens, and the hush puppies, and I'm coming back. We live in Illinois. We've got a grandson in the hospital in Vanderbilt. We were on the way home yesterday, and we're going to pick him up and take him home today.
That's awesome.
But we have an adopted son that plays on Broadway in Nashville. He's band leader for Jesse Keith Whitley, and we go to Nashville quite often, so we'll be back.
Awesome. I hope to see you guys again.
Thank you for being with us here.
Yeah.
We love mom and pop restaurants, Country Conversations with Cactus Jack.
Thank you so much.